The RPL process with free CIR is straightforward. Step 1, complete our free RPL assessment form. It takes about 30 seconds. Just tell us about your background and your experience. Step 2, one of our senior assessors personally reviews your details within 24 to 48 hours. Not a computer, a real person who understands your industry. Step 3, you receive a personalised skills gap analysis, showing exactly which qualifications you're eligible for and what evidence you'll need to provide. Step 4, we guide you through gathering your evidence. Things like your resume, position descriptions, reference letters, and training certificates. Most people already have more than they realise. Step 5, your assessor reviews your evidence portfolio against the qualification performance criteria. Step 6, your nationally recognised qualification is issued. Now, most people complete the entire process in 2 to 6 weeks. There's no exams, no assessments, no classrooms, just recognition for what you already know.